On the heels of a court action which was filed by the Police Service Commission (PSC) on Tuesday through its battery of attorneys against the President, Prime Minister, Minister of Legal Affairs, the Commissioner of Police and the Secretary of the Commission, the Minister of Legal Affairs, Anil Nandlall, has responded by saying that he is not happy by the action of the PSC, but acknowledged that it is within the right of the constitutionally appointed body to take the kind of recourse it has.
So I'm happy. Well, I'm not happy, but I anticipated that they will go this route, and it's their democratic and legal right to do so.
The Attorney General continues to maintain that the court is the only authority that can overturn a decision by the President.
That is the way if one wishes to challenge a decision made by a public officer, more so one made by the head of state. Certainly, the law does not permit you to arrogate unto yourself a power to ignore that decision.
Notwithstanding that the PSC has accused the President of acting unlawfully when he suspended the Commission, contrary to several articles of the Constitution, namely 210(3) and 225(6), Nandlall posited that the PSC must comply with the law as long as his government remains in power.
Paul Slow and his team must recognize, at least when this government is in power, the Constitution will be complied with and the rule of law will be respected. And when the President makes a decision or a minister makes a decision, whether he is right or whether he is wrong, in law is a matter for only the court to decide.
On Tuesday, the Police Service Commission, in court documents seen by this newscast, asked the judicial body to find that all the respondents listed had erred in law. In the case of the President, the body said that he acted contrary to Articles 225(6) and 210(3) of the Constitution. With regard to the Prime Minister, the Commission said that he acted contrary to the said articles when he advised the President that the members of the Commission should be suspended. With regard to the Secretary of the PSC, the body says that he acted insubordinately when he refused to distribute letters to those officers who have been earmarked for promotion by the Commission and by refusing to have a government order prepared to give effect to those promotions. The PSC is also accusing the Commissioner of Police of acting insubordinately by refusing to carry out the instruction of the Commission when it wrote to him recently, instructing him to have the Quartermaster of the Force prepare the relevant badges for the ranks earmarked for promotion. Attorney-at-law Selwyn Peters, who continued to maintain that the President is seeking to promote his own ranks within the force, spoke to why the case was filed as well as its importance during a telephone conversation with Nightly News on Tuesday.
And quite frankly, if we allow constitutional infringements of this kind so early in the administration to go unchallenged, then it can only get worse for independent and autonomous bodies.
Reporting for the HGP Nightly News, Wendell Bdarie.